Hi, we're Let's Go Now Adventures and welcome to our Camping Knot series. Hopefully this information will give you the skills and knowledge to be more confident and have a more enjoyable camping experience. In today's video, we're going to be covering the bowline knot. Some call it the bowline, some call it the bowline. Either way, it's the same knot. It's a loop knot that doesn't shrink up, so it won't cinch when you pull on it. So this is a great knot if you had to throw a loop out to somebody who was having difficulty swimming. You throw them a rescue line. Or if you needed a quick makeshift dog leash and collar, you just tie the bowline around your dog's neck and there you go, you're off on a walk. This is how you tie it. So the bowline is really an easy knot to tie. All you need to do is make a loop. Now what we're going to do is we're making a loop. The bowline knot is easy if you think about it like this. It's an over, under type of knot. So in this case, we're taking our working end, which is this, and we're going over the standing end, which is this. So we've now got a loop going on over here. So since we went over, we're going to come underneath. Since we came up under, we're going to go around by going under that. We'll come up over again and go back down under. Now we'll just reverse my hand so I can tighten that up. We'll just give it a tighten. We'll dress that knot. We'll pull it tight. Now you've got a knot that makes a loop that won't slip. So people have said, John, it's nice to be able to tie it like you just did it, but I have difficulty tying this knot when I'm tying it to something. So the way you do that is exactly the same as you just create a loop with our working end going over our standing end. Then we'll take our working end and we'll go through something. Now this is the part that's different. Other than that, we're going to be tying it exactly the same way. So we'll go, since we went over, we're going to come under. Then we go over, under, over, and then under. Go out the same way we came in, tighten the knot, and we've got a bowline knot. Thanks for watching the video today. Hope you've learned a lot. If you do like it, make sure you hit the like button down below. It really does help us if you subscribe to our channel, so just hit the subscribe button down there or right up here. There's also a little bell by the subscribe button. If you hit that, you'll be notified when we release the next video in this series. And be sure to check out the other videos from Let's Go Now Adventures. They're right over here. So have a great day and thanks again.